This is Victorinox Jetsetter red, reference number 06263. It comes in this cute little pouch that it's made, I think, from PU leather or something like that. And this one, it's pretty interesting because it's actually a keychain multi-tool rather than a knife, because this thing right here does not have a blade. This series was introduced in 2012 in the current iteration. So this one has a combo tool that has a bottle cap opener, wire stripper, and at the tip it has a number 2 Phillips screwdriver. On the other side it has a pair of scissors, the well-known spring-powered Victorinox scissors, and also the scale tools, tweezers, and toothpick, and also this fine keyring. As I mentioned before, this multi-tool was introduced, this type of multi-tool with, to be specific, with the Phillips screwdriver at the tip, was introduced in 2012, and it was meant to replace the older versions of this knife. So there was a Jetsetter one that had a flat screwdriver instead of a Phillips screwdriver at the tip, and Jetsetter 2 that had a cuticle pusher and a nail file right here instead of this combo tool. So this multi-tool has another variation. It's called the Jetsetter at Work, and that one has a 16 gigabyte flash drive. That's in addition to this tool right here. And that one is also in production. So Victorinox came up with this keychain multi-tool without a blade in response to the knife ban that happened in United States, and which prevented people carrying a knife or a sharp object while traveling by plane, basically making this tool the only tool that you can take with you if you're traveling. So this is the Victorinox Jetsetter, the only multi-tool made by Victorinox without a blade. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.